It's Arbor Month, so let's get rooted, literally, by planting a tree. If you're stuck on what to plant, consider the tough, common tree of the year known as the Korea, Circia lancea, or its cousin, the mountain Korea, Circia lepidoptera. These small, medium-sized, evergreen trees are drought-tolerant and perfect for the South African climate. For something unique, try the rare tree of the year option, the white pear, Apodytes dimidiata, an elegant evergreen with glossy leaves, white flowers, and berry-like fruit. And why not plant a fruit tree? You'll enjoy fresh, homegrown produce and attract beneficial pollinators, boosting your garden's health. Planting a tree is easy. Start by digging a hole as deep as the tree's root ball and twice as wide. Roughen the bottom and sides of the hole to help the roots spread. Mix 1 part compost with 3 parts soil and add bone meal, superphosphate or rock phosphate. Next up, remove the tree from its pot or bag. Gently loosen the roots and place it in the hole. Backfill until it stands up straight, ensuring that the level of the soil from the nursery bag is at the same height as the planting hole. Dig a soil basin around the tree, water it deeply, stake it if needed, and mulch around the base, avoiding the trunk to prevent any rot. Well, now that you know the steps, gear up for Arbor Month this September. Find everything you need at your local GCA garden centre. Visit lifeasagarden.co.za to locate a garden centre near you.